Imagine this. You're staring into the deepest regions of space, where galaxies hang like scattered embers in an ocean of black. They drift, they swirl, they collide. Time seems to stretch in all directions, each second echoing into infinity. For centuries, we thought these cosmic dances were governed by gravity alone, chaotic yet bound by familiar rules. But then, in 2008, something shifted. Astronomers analyzing data from the Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe noticed a disturbing anomaly, something that defied every model, every expectation, something that whispered of boundaries we never imagined we'd reach so soon. Clusters of galaxies, entire superclusters, were moving, but not randomly, not like leaves in a breeze. This was deliberate, coherent. They were drifting in the same direction, as if pulled by an unseen current, guided by a force no theory could explain. This wasn't a minor deviation. These are thousands of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, each star surrounded by planets, matter, dark matter, and time. They were all headed in the same direction, toward a part of the cosmos that, according to every map and measurement we possess, shouldn't be able to affect them at all. That region lies beyond the observable universe, beyond where light has had time to reach us, beyond our understanding. Scientists gave a name that echoes with mystery: the dark flow. And to this day, no one knows what's causing it. Pause for a moment. Really let that sink in. Because this isn't just a quirk in the data. This is a message, a ripple, a gravitational footprint left by something far beyond our reach. A disturbance we can't trace. Not to a black hole, not to dark matter, not to any known force, but to something that exists outside the universe we can measure. The observable universe. Everything we've ever seen or detected stretches 46 billion light years in every direction. That's our cosmic bubble. Beyond it lies a silence we can't breach. Outside it, light hasn't had time to reach us. It's the unknowable frontier. And yet, something from out there is pulling us. Scientists tried to dismantle the idea. They questioned the sensors, scrutinized the methodology, ran simulation after simulation, considered interference, background noise, gravitational lensing, and dozens of exotic phenomena. But after cross-checking multiple galaxy clusters over vast distances and confirming the same directional drift, the conclusion was unavoidable. The dark flow is real, but what could possibly exert a force over that distance? What sort of object or entity or phenomenon could tug on entire galaxy clusters from beyond the edge of our visible reality? Some theorize it's the great attractor, a massive concentration of matter we simply can't observe, hidden behind the cosmic curtain. Others believe the answer lies deeper, a pre-Big Bang structure, a remnant of a universe that existed before ours, brushing against us like a ghost in the dark. Still more radical thinkers propose colossal voids or dimensional scars, formed by collisions between universes in a multiversal ocean. Cosmic bruises, stains from contact, inescapable reminders that our universe is not alone. Yes, that's right, other universes, not science fiction, a plausible consequence of inflation theory and quantum cosmology. Now imagine you're a cosmologist. You're not just looking at numbers or pixels on a screen. You're watching galaxies shift in ways that shouldn't be possible, as if invisible fingers were reaching in from beyond, dragging them across space. You see the evidence, the cosmic wake, but not the source. What if there's an enormous mass outside our space-time, something older than physics itself? Or worse, what if it isn't mass at all? What if it's information? A signal? A pattern rippling through higher dimensional space, affecting ours like a hidden hand manipulating a sheet of fabric from above? One theory posits that our universe is just one bubble in a vast multiverse, each universe with its own laws of physics, floating in a higher dimensional space. If one of those bubbles collided with ours long ago, the scar might still echo, manifesting as a gravitational flow that we now call the dark flow. And what if it's happening again? What if something out there isn't pulling us by accident, but by design? Dark flow may not just be a cosmic curiosity. It might be the first clue, the first thread in unraveling the true shape of existence. Its implications are staggering. If our universe can be influenced from the outside, then it is not self-contained. It is not sovereign. It is not alone. It is part of something larger, something connected, something intentional, something aware. And here's the part that chills even the most rational minds. We will never see what's causing it. Not with telescopes, not with satellites, not with any future invention. Because the galaxies are being drawn towards something that light itself hasn't reached us from. Something forever hidden behind the event horizon of our knowledge. We're watching the universe stretch its fingers toward a door it cannot open. And behind that door, something waits. A force strong enough to tug on galaxies like pebbles in a stream. A pull so ancient it predates light. A presence we weren't meant to detect. So next time you stare at the sky and feel small under that endless black, remember, some of those galaxies you see aren't just drifting. They're leaving, accelerating towards something beyond our comprehension, disappearing into a silence that may never echo back. And maybe, just maybe, the question isn't what they're moving toward, but why? If this stirred something inside you, a question, a chill, a spark of wonder, then come with us. Hit subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you never miss another cosmic tale. And if this story left you thinking, leave a like. It helps us tell more mysteries to minds like yours. Explore our playlist and go deeper into the shadows beyond the stars. Because Revealed Mysteries isn't just a name. It's a mission to reveal what was never meant to be known. And together, we might just find it.